Hi, welcome. In this video I want to show you the new version of Ledboy. Now it has a rotary encoder, and Ledboy it has many features like a clock. You can push the side button that acts as a sleep menu function, and you can change the color of the clock display. With the side buttons you can change between brightness, hours, and minutes. All is changed by turning the rotary encoder. Ledboy currently has 3 games. In a future version I'm planning to add a menu, but now the games are, you can access the game by pushing one button, the other, or the two at the same time. By pressing the left button, you enter the invaders, brick style space invaders. The ship is moved by turning the rotary encoder. You fire by pressing either of the two buttons. I'm trying to do my best seeing at the camera. Let's see. You have 2 lives. You can recover 1 life if you hit the mothership that is represented with the pink dots. And each consecutive level is faster and faster. You have an in-game menu. You can disable sound, resume game, and end the game. This is a port of Tetris. You can rotate the pieces by rotating the rotary encoder. By pressing the 2 buttons, the pieces file faster. And obviously with left and right, you move the piece left and right. It has an animation when you complete a line, and it keeps track of score. The last game is a Flappy Bear clone. I call it Flappy Led. And you make points by passing the walls. You can press either button to stay higher, both to jump higher. Well, I hope you like it. And any question, please feel free to leave it below. Thanks, and have a nice day.